So I bought this one years ago, and you all know that I've been sick, so I couldn't use it because I wasn't working. Now I'm getting back to work, and I switched it on to take payments, getting ready. It comes up with that. Then I've investigated YouTube to find out if anybody can help me, and everybody just shows that, but they didn't explain that you cannot fix it. Eventually I found the phone number for IZettle, and I explained the situation, and she said, no, you have to buy another one. But before I found out that that couldn't be fixed, I did buy another one. And then when I tried to set it up to get it to take £1 payment, it wouldn't work. It came up with another message that I was to get in touch with the helpline, help.uk.com. At the moment, I've had this one now for a month, and I still can't get it to work because when I phoned them up, they told me they've frozen my account because I hadn't used it for a year. Now, I just think that is a blooming cheek. But there, I suppose, there's some kind of a safeguard for just in case somebody else tried to tap into it. So 2 days ago, they said it would take 24 hours to open this one up. Now, I can't show you the message that it comes up with now because I'm not actually using my phone to video this. But I'm just letting you know, for those who had the first one, and this is very old, it doesn't even have, I've never had, what's that, switch or whatever. So what I've got to do with this pretty little thing is throw it away and wait for them to switch this one on. I just wanted to let you know, if that sign ever comes up, you can't do nothing about it. Oh, the reason was you don't keep it next to any electronic stuff, or if you drop it, that's what makes that happen. Thanks for watching.